Hello everyone, this is Rongzhong. Last time I have shown you how to put up Nybble's body group. And I just realized before putting on any other electronics, I do need to prepare more smaller parts. So today I'm going to show you how to put up Nybble's battery holder. It's actually a quite interesting and complex structure. To make this, we need to do some soldering. For this soldering section, you will need to prepare the belly piece, the switch, 2 screws, the battery holder, wire cutter, solder wire, and soldering iron. First, fix this switch onto the belly piece using the 2 screws. Okay, and then pick up this battery holder, rotate it to this direction, push this side towards the switch, okay, and then arrange the wire to the other side of the belly, like this. Make the wire straight and mark the position here on the red wire, and then just cut it. Attention, only cut the red wire, not the black wire. Okay? Then use the soldering iron, touch the top of this wire, and the rubber will be heated and shrink a little bit. So we have the wire exposed. Dip this wire into the soldering paste, just a little bit, and insert it into the hole, the middle hole on the switch. Okay, and solder on. And we have this residue wire. Just get this wire exposed a little bit. Dip it in the soldering paste. Insert it to the other hole on this switch. Pay attention, both of the 2 red wires should go in this direction, not this direction, okay? And solder it. Make sure that they are fixed. Then we are ready to go to the next step. Working is a very complex process, and it takes a long story to explain every part. For now, let's just think Nybble as a table. We know that a table has 4 legs. The reason that it can stand is because the center of mass is falling within the projected area of the 4 legs. A table can also stand with only 3 legs, as long as the center of mass is within the area. So I have trained Nybble to work with the current setting, but I also considered that you may want to add more components to different parts of Nybble. That means you will change its center of mass, and it will not be able to perform well. That's the reason that I want to introduce a tunable center of mass to counter-effect your modifications. And I'm using the location of battery pack for the tuning. You can see that without batteries, Nybble weighs around 300 grams, and the batteries weighs 40 grams. By tuning the location of the batteries, I can tune the location of center of mass. Previously, I just designed this structure, multiple holes on the belly, so that you can screw the battery holder onto different locations. On the newest Nybble, I made some improvements that will allow you to pull this battery holder down and slide along the body. So it's much more convenient. Let's make this structure. To assemble this tunable battery holder, you will need the previously soldered battery holder and the belly piece, the 2 rivets, this little piece, I will call it the bar, the 2 longest screws in your kit, and the 2 shortest springs in your kit. Let's start. First is to insert this rivet into the holes on this screw, on this battery holder. Just push in. They should stay. Next, put the screws through these rivets. Use your 2 fingers, push the screws in the rivet so it won't fall out, and put these 2 springs here. Then put this bar on top of these 2 springs. Okay? Use your finger, hold them, and rotate back. Now, match the screw with the screw hole on the bar, and screw in until you feel that the tip of the screw is touching your finger. On the other side, screw in until you feel the tip. Adjust a little bit so that it's parallel, the bar is parallel to the belly piece. And observe these springs. Make sure that this spring is not getting into the track. Otherwise, it will be the obstacle for the screw to move. Now, if you pull this battery holder down, you will be able to slide it along this direction. In that way, you will be able to tune the center of mass in this direction. Suppose you have added some heavy sensor in the front, then you can move the battery holder to the back, like this. I think it should be easier if you install this battery holder onto the belly before you install the belly onto the body group. It's already 10 minutes in this tutorial. Let's reserve the fun for next time. See you later. Bye bye.